Hola familia! It's after the live. You know I always show you what we cook if you didn't get a chance to see the live. Today is, what's today, the 23rd or 24th? And I'm thinking this is the one to the last Sunday that we have. This month in August, we had christened it Bowl Month. So we've been making bowls. So today is a fusion bowl. It's a Mediterranean / Caribbean bowl. Ready? So we made hummus. We have artichokes, olives, and I needed some green. I went to look for Swiss chard. They didn't have it. So I had some broccoli. And then we have some rolled up like in pinwheels, eggplant and yellow squash. And then I did some maduros. You know, I pressed them and then I kind of pushed them down here. Then we made jerk wings. I made a jerk marinade here this morning. And then we have roasted tomatoes and roasted calabaza squash. Listen, you eat that, you set. So I went to Ray this morning and God was with me. I passed the bakery and they were coming out with the bread. The smell was all over the place and I was like, Lord help me, Lord help me. I've already had 2 pastries this week with my brother being here. I'm not blaming him, but it's like I can't have another carb. So, we made hummus from scratch, of course. Good. Get an olive with it. You put that lemon juice, in our case lime, and artichoke, hummus. So that's a fusion, right? Calabaza and hummus. Why not? And then I cooked some sweet potatoes that did not look like sweet potatoes. Camote. They were white. The sweet potato here is different, okay? So, then, maduros, sweet plantain, usually fried. We didn't fry them. We put them in the oven. Then I just press them down and put them back in there. That this juice is good. You don't need to fry it. I think somebody asked me before how they can cook plantains with no oil. Well, I don't know. No oil. It will be very dry. But I just doused it with a little bit of my herb oil and I put it in. And then after that, I didn't have to put anything else. But anything what oil says, relax. So good. And then when hummus was done, you douse olive oil and then you put some red pepper flakes on it. And if you wanted to, you could chop some parsley. But I didn't need to. I think I have a lot going on here. So let me taste the wing. My jerk wing from my homemade jerk seasoning. This is the cinnamon. I forgot to get the allspice. Got a kick. Guys, when I do this, you think I'm kidding, but it's really good. And I have to say, if I make it, it's gonna taste good. Because it's not passing the test, because I'm tasting the whole way, right? After I made the jerk, I had to taste it. Yes, I know it's hot, but how is the acid? How is, we don't have any acid. How is the salt? How is, you know, I have to fix it. So, before your food is done, you've corrected it, right? Yeah. It's good. Oh my goodness. My goodness. Let me have some coffee. It's 12 o'clock. But anyway, guys, this is it. So next week, I don't know. I'm looking for ideas of what you'd like to see in a bowl. In the bowl, the sky's the limit. You can put whatever you want in it, right? It's your bowl. You can make it look however you want. This. Bye. Au revoir. Bye.